In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create this 3D abstract art. This is how the scene looks like, and I have only used 3 grid meshes and a plane. This was the original mesh, and 2 other grid meshes were duplicates. If you can't find the grid mesh in the menu, please activate an add-on called Extra Objects. Each mesh contains 3 modifiers, and all 3 have a unique texture image attached. I'll show you the texture details. The most important part is how the material was constructed to be half transparent. The duplicated meshes have identical materials with different colors. Here are the composite node details. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.